Open the door! I have a search warrant! Open the door!
Can you please explain to me what's going on?
At this point in time, unfortunately, I'm going to have to come down to the station with me, okay? You're under arrest for theft as of right now, okay?
On May 16th, 2023, officers with the DeKalb Police Department served a search warrant at a residence in Georgia linked to an ongoing forgery investigation. Inside, they discovered a massive cache of stolen property, including luxury handbags, electronics, over $30,000 in jewelry, and forged checks, with an estimated total value of $2 million. The entire incident was captured on body camera footage.
At least they sound.
Nothing?
Upstairs, I can see you guys. No movement.
Multiple dogs. I don't know, they sound big. DeKalb Police! Search warrant!
They sound like they're put away somewhere because they're not running with the door open.
DeKalb Police! Search warrant!
She's coming.
Open the door! DeKalb Police, open the door! Open the door, I have a search warrant, open the door. Yes. Open the door or I'm gonna break your door. Sure. Okay, man. Anyone else home?
No, it's just me and my dog.
Are your dogs locked up?
Can I please see the warrant,
Yes.
please?
Yep, we'll give you a copy.
What is this?
Is your husband home or your children home?
No, my children are at school.
Here, sure.
Go and step out. Step with my partner over here. I'm going to explain everything to you, okay? We have to search it and make sure there's no one else here. So go out
I have to step out?
Yes.
Okay. Can I not get my purse or anything?
No. You have to go out with them.
Please, thank you.
I'll stay with you.
It just...
I'm going to hang out with you, okay?
Can you please explain to me what's going on?
Yep. There's a search warrant for your house. Okay. I have an officer that's going to talk to you once we make sure that everything's safe in here. Okay? Alright? There's no one else home? There's no kids home? Anything like that?
No, but...
Is your husband home or is he
No.
working? Okay.
Can I call my lawyer at least? Like...
Yep, you can do that. Okay? But we're going to work on that, okay?
So I have to wait until you guys give me my
Yes.
phone?
There's a search warrant signed by a judge that says that we will be searching your house. Okay?
My lawyer said I shouldn't open the door or do anything or tell you guys to contact them first. So
I
that's not
understand. If you didn't open the door, I would have broke it down. Okay? So you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? I've got a search warrant signed by a judge. It's not like I asked to come in. I got an order to come in by the judge.
Okay.
Okay. Are there any weapons in the home or anything like that?
Yeah, my husband has
They're locked
concealed
up.
carry.
Yeah, they're locked up though.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
And he's not here.
No.
Okay.
Can I at least call someone to get my kids though from school? Like, this is delaying the process if I can't call them and at least say
When do
that.
they get off school?
My kid gets out of school at 12.
Okay. Yeah. We got a little bit of time for that, but I will let you make phone calls for that, okay? It's 9:30.
But if he's out on a truck run, why can't I call him and just tell him get back here now? I don't have anyone in DeKalb else to pick up my kid.
Okay. We'll let you make that call. Okay? Just not at this moment. Okay, we gotta make sure house is safe, everyone's safe, and then we'll start having conversation. Okay? You got a lot of questions. I got a lot to explain to you.
Okay.
So I'll give you all that information. I just need to make sure my people are safe first and that no one's in here. I know you're not a nefarious person. You're not a bad person, all right? But some people are when we do this, so we have to just prepare for that and make sure everything's cool, and then we'll talk. Okay. We have a large home, so it's going to take a little bit. Okay.
Go. We'll go back here. Closet.
Am I under arrest or something?
At the moment, no.
I'm not understanding why I can't call my husband just to tell him to head back this way then.
Nope, I understand you don't have a phone on you right now, so you can't call your husband.
I do have another phone I can use though. Or
That's
I can
also
pay.
part of the search.
My tablet's part of it too?
We're coming up.
Is that my phone?
Probably.
If it's Chris, why can't I just answer?
Master bedroom straight. There's a spare to the left. I'm gonna go master first.
I'm with you. Someone pick left.
Bathroom back.
Hey, Lickle, she says he's out on a run right now, so no one should be home.
You guys next person.
I swear no one is here but me and my dogs.
That's okay. They got it. So I appreciate you.
I
do.
swear.
I know.
There's a lot of stuff.
Alright. Clear. While you guys are here, check secondaries. They're up immediately. Clear. Is there an attic?
Yeah, it's not. It's no access though. I bet.
Yeah, okay.
We got master bedroom second.
This is clear.
Okay, good.
Second floor clear.
So it's all done. The clearance done.
Coming down.
What are you by yourself down there? What is there, guys? Are there more lights down here? Yeah, that one's a closet. That one back there's a closet. That one I think goes to the bathroom. This one here is got folding chairs in it. It's just secondary again now.
Why do they want my text messages?
For the offense that's listed in the warrant.
You said the offense. Can you explain that? What does that mean?
Yep. You got a lot of questions. There's another detective that's going to have those answers for you, okay?
Okay.
I'll get him for you once he's done doing what he's doing inside. How long you lived here?
3 years now.
Okay.
Going on 4.
How many dogs do you have?
6. 2 I'm babysitting and 4 are mine.
Police department serving a search warrant.
Are any of them going to bite us while we're in here?
No, they're locked up.
Okay.
They're locked.
All right. So this here is Detective Lickle. He's got a lot of questions. He's got the information for you. Okay. So,
Passion, if you would please just let's go ahead and slip down this way. We can talk, okay?
I would like to stay close
Okay.
to my house,
Well-
if that's possible.
Well, at this point in time, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to come down to the station with me, okay?
For what?
Huh? As for right now, you're in custody. You're in custody. You're under arrest for theft as of right now, okay?
So I'm being charged?
As of right now, yes.
Okay, so when can I call my husband?
I'll let you as soon as we get down
And my
there.
lawyer.
I know you have a lot. I know you have a lot of questions, and I want to be as accommodating as possible. Okay. So as soon as we get down there, we'll sit down, we'll have a talk, and when everything's situated, and like I said, I can answer questions for you, and I'll let you make what phone calls you need to. Okay.
So who's all under arrest? Who's all under arrest? Who's in charge?
As of right now, you're the only one here. So as of right now, you're the only one that's being charged.
Who else would be charged? My husband would be charged?
I don't at this point in time. I'm just concerned about talking to you. Okay.
You said you would answer more of my questions.
you will. You will. We've got to do this part first. We will talk to you more at the police department. So for now, put your hands behind your back.
So when can I make my phone call? Because my kids get out at 12.
Step forward, please. Thank you. I know you get a lot of questions, and I want to provide the answers for you, but then again, I just don't want to sit here and air out laundry in front of the entire neighborhood. You know
I
what
just
mean?
want to know, most importantly, I would like to call my husband so he can get the kids. Is my husband under arrest? Are you guys trying to get him too?
As of right now, that's one of our first priorities is getting a hold of husband, make sure the kids are okay. So we're going to try.
But are you telling me the truth or are you just saying it? Because
Passion.
I don't even know what I'm being,
Okay.
who's charging me.
All right. Passion, I'm being upfront and honest. I've been doing this for almost 19 years.
Okay.
I'm not trying to bamboozle you
Okay.
or anything like that, okay?
It
So,
doesn't
like
even
I said,
say who's charging me. It doesn't even say who's charging me.
we'll
The
talk-
DeKalb Police Department.
Yep, we'll talk about charges and whatnot when we get down there. Like I said, I'm not trying to bamboozle you. We'll try to get hold of your husband, try to make arrangements for the kids and whatnot, and get it all situated. Okay. How long is your stuff gonna be gone for?
Yes.
It's part of the investigation. If whatever's collected will be collected as evidence, and then it's got to go through. You take it to court, whether you're found guilty or you're found innocent. If everything works out, that property will be returned to you. Okay.
But they're going to have it until then.
As of right now, yes. It's just a quick wand. Do you know your lawyer's number right off the top of your head?
No, my husband does.
Your husband does? Okay. Do you have it in your phone? Anything like that?
What, my lawyer's number?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Well, I tell you what, it says, why don't you, obviously you know the name of your attorney. Let me write down the name of your attorney and see if I can get a phone number for you, okay?
Okay. Can I go on my phone and look at the email?
I can't let you go on your phone unless you give me permission to go on your phone. That's entirely up to you, okay?
So I can't even make a call to my husband?
I can get numbers out of there for you.
I know the number to my husband.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I will let you make phone calls here shortly. But what's your attorney's name?
Jane.
All right, Alligator Jane, this is a number for you. Is there anything else I can do? Would you like anything to drink or anything like that?
I would like water, but I really want to call my husband. Like, I'd rather call him first than a lawyer. I don't understand.
I will let you, so I will let you make phone calls here as soon as possible, okay? Obviously, I gotta provide you phone calls. I'll let you make them here real soon, all right?
But sooner the better, because like
Sure.
I said, I don't have anyone to pick up my kids if I'm here.
Okay.
And Jefferson gets out at 3, and my other kid, I told him I was going to pick him up at 12 to take him to the dentist.
Okay, get 12 o'clock at the dentist? Okay. All right, we'll get that situated here real quick, okay? And I'll
Okay.
go back some water.
According to court documents, the suspect identified in the video as Mahoon was charged with multiple counts of theft by deception, forgery, and possession of fraudulent financial documents. Investigators linked her to dozens of forged checks, some deposited directly into her Fifth Third bank account, totaling tens of thousands of dollars in fraudulent transactions. During the search, officers seized over 70 luxury handbags from brands including Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, and Coach, in addition to $33,000 in jewelry, electronics, and more than $8,000 in cash. The total estimated value of recovered property approached $2 million. Mahoon is currently awaiting trial in DeKalb County and is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.